There are many interesting places in the world. Santorini is one of these interesting and beautiful places. Santorini is a picturesque island located in the Aegean Sea. It's renowned for its stunning sunsets, crystal clear waters, whitewashed buildings with blue domed roofs, and dramatic cliffs overlooking the Caldera. In today's video, we will discuss Santorini in detail and try to know how it became known as a tourist attraction in the world. Santorini is an island in the southern Aegean Sea, about 200 kilometers southeast of the Greek mainland. It is the largest island of a small circular archipelago which bears the same name and is the remnant of a caldera. It is the southernmost member of the Cyclades group of islands, with an area of approximately 73 square kilometers and a 2021 census population of 15,480. The municipality of Santorini includes the inhabited islands of Santorini and Thracia, as well as the uninhabited islands of Nea Kameni, Palaya Kameni, Aspronisi, and Christiana. The total land area is 90.623 square kilometers. Santorini is part of the Fira regional unit. The island's history dates back to ancient times, with evidence of settlement from the Bronze Age. It is also famous for its connection to the Minoan civilization, with archaeological sites such as Akrotiri, showcasing well-preserved ruins of an ancient settlement that was buried under volcanic ash around 1600 BCE. It is the most active volcanic center in the South Aegean volcanic arc, though what remains today is chiefly a water-filled caldera. The volcanic arc is approximately 500 kilometers long and 20 to 40 kilometers wide. Tourism is a significant industry on the island of Santorini, driving its economy and shaping its cultural landscape. Santorini is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Greece and attracts millions of visitors from around the world each year. Santorini's stunning landscapes, characterized by its iconic whitewashed buildings perched on cliffs overlooking the deep blue waters of the Aegean Sea, make it a magnet for tourists seeking picturesque views and romantic settings. The island's unique geography, shaped by volcanic activity, adds to its allure. Santorini is famous for its breathtaking sunsets, particularly in the village of Oia. Visitors flock to viewpoints along the caldera rim to witness the sun sinking into the sea, casting a golden glow over the island's whitewashed buildings. The island boasts several beautiful beaches with unique features. Parissa and Kamari offer black sand beaches formed from volcanic ash, while Red Beach is known for its striking red cliffs and sand. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and water sports at these beaches. Santorini has a rich history and cultural heritage, with archaeological sites such as Akrotiri, an ancient Minoan settlement buried under volcanic ash, and ancient Fira, an ancient city perched on a hilltop. These sites provide insights into the island's ancient past. Santorini is renowned for its distinctive wines, particularly Assyrtiko, a white wine grape native to the island. Wine enthusiasts can visit local wineries to taste a variety of wines and learn about traditional winemaking techniques. The island's culinary scene is another draw for tourists, with an abundance of restaurants serving fresh seafood, traditional Greek dishes, and local specialties such as fava and tomato keftades. Santorini offers a range of accommodation options to suit different preferences and budgets, including luxury resorts, boutique hotels, traditional cave houses, and budget-friendly guest houses. Santorini is known for its unique geography, formed by a volcanic eruption that shaped its crescent shape and created the caldera, a vast sea-filled crater. Visitors often take boat tours to explore the caldera and its volcanic islands, including Nea Kameni and Pelea Kameni, where you can hike to volcanic craters and swim in hot springs. Overall, Santorini's tourism industry thrives on its natural beauty, cultural attractions, and hospitality, offering visitors a memorable experience in one of the most enchanting destinations in the world.